Hey there and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an admin to your Wix website quickly, painlessly, and without any guesswork. By the end of this video, you'll know the step-by-step process to invite a trusted team member or collaborator to help manage your site. Whether you're expanding your business, bringing on a partner, or just need some extra support for your website, you'll be set up with the know-how to give someone admin access securely and efficiently. Let's dive right in, starting with the very first step. Go ahead and log into your Wix account just like you normally would. If you're not sure how to get there, just type Wix.com into your browser and sign in using your usual credentials. Now, the reason we start here is that everything you need is accessible from your account dashboard. This is kind of like Command Central for all your Wix projects. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites right on your dashboard. Take a moment to select the one where you want to add an admin. If you have multiple sites, this is a really important detail. You don't want to accidentally invite someone to the wrong project. Click on the website's name or thumbnail. That tells Wix, hey, this is the site I'm working with right now. Now focus your attention near the top, where you'll see a button labeled Edit Site. Right beside that button, there's a set of 3 small dots, kind of like a little secret menu. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. Don't worry if you needed a second to find them, they're small but mighty. Once you click, a new menu pops up with several options. You're going to select Invite Collaborators. Think of collaborators as teammates who can jump in and help you move things forward. When you click Invite Collaborators, Wix will prompt you for the email address of the person you want to invite. Here, where a little extra attention helps, double-check that you type in the correct email. It's like writing someone's name on a VIP badge. You want your new admin to get the invite smoothly without delays, so accuracy here really matters. Now, before you send the invitation, you'll see a drop-down for roles. This is where Wix lets you specify what kind of access your collaborator should have. For our purposes, you'll click Admin. That's the role with the highest level of access, perfect for someone you trust to help run the site. Admins can do almost everything you can, from editing pages to managing settings. It's a big responsibility, so be sure you're inviting someone you genuinely trust with your brand and online presence. Finally, once you've chosen the admin role and double-checked everything, click Send Invite. Wix will whisk off an email to your selected person, inviting them to join as an admin, and that's it, you're done. This part might take a few moments for the email to arrive, so reassure your collaborator if they don't see it instantly. Just have them check their inbox and maybe their spam folder too. And there you have it, you've just empowered someone to help you take your Wix website to the next level. It's straightforward, but every little step makes sure your site stays secure and well managed. If this tutorial helped you out, give the video a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any questions down in the comments. I'm always here to help and I love hearing from you. And if you want more simple, practical guides like this, don't forget to subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck building your online dream team.